Neil,
What's going on?
welcome to the show, man.
This is it. Thank you for having me.
I'm going to go right into this. I don't really know what Hot Ones is. I've seen that your shit has taken off since it's been on Hot Ones. What is Hot Ones?
Hot Ones is the famous chicken wing show where the celebrities sit and eat the hot chicken wings, and they're interviewed by Sean Evans. It's kind of like the Super Bowl in the hot sauce world.
And so they picked this guy here?
They picked their smoked onion, and they're very strict on ingredients. So I actually developed a Worcestershire sauce to go in that's non-allergen, so no fish, no gluten, no soya. They don't allow liquid smoke. So I've actually smoked pallets and pallets and pallets of onions, big smokers, like a Ferris wheel inside, and just smoked onions for hours and hours and days and days.
Were you a chef before this?
I ran restaurants when I was younger. Cooking and food's always been my true passion. I think I got it from my grandfather at a young age. Did some classes, courses.
This is your grandmother's recipe, right? Initially, right?
The Scotch bonnet is my great-grandmother's recipe from Trinidad. That's what started it all.
And so like pickles, she used to just make it kind of in the kitchen, and growing up, It was just always around.
Way back at the beginning, before Scotch bonnets even existed here, she would fly up from Trinidad with Scotch bonnet peppers in vinegar in jars in her suitcase.
Bootlegging hot sauce.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
I mean, you're in for the passion of this, right?
100%.
Like you're not just plugging a product, which obviously you put your name on, but you know your hot sauces and your barbecue sauce, eh?
100%. I love to cook. I love to barbecue. I love spice, so it's got to have flavor.
Fermentation is an immigrant story, bringing it to Canada and stuff. So what, you're suddenly saying like, I got to do this, I got to give this a go?
Anyone that would come over would ask for a bottle of it. People would always want to use it. We started doing it in farmers markets, just little jars of the pepper sauce, and we had a jalapeno, which was just a little less heat. A lot of hot sauces, trash, too much water, too much vinegar, too hot, too salty. These are cauliflower based, so they've got a little bit of texture to them. A lot of different vegetables, brings a lot of natural flavor. We were just doing well, doing lots of the shows, and then pandemic hit and kind of shut us down. I was actually a heavy equipment operator at the time.
Did you sell to your colleagues?
Oh yeah. The whole crew was hooked on it. Everyone loved it. Brought it to the Christmas party. They all loved it. And then eventually, I just quit that and went on this full time. Went on the sauce full time.
I love it. Went on the sauce full time. And Picklefest, you guys have been there both years, so thank you for that. But you had the chance of working both days. I mean, it was crazy, wasn't it, for you?
It was nuts. It was one of the best festivals of the year by far, and one of the most I look forward to. So,
and like the engagement, people were asking, did they know about you, or they were just
a lot of people did know about us, especially this year around. A lot of people knew about the Hot Ones. A lot of people came back for the dill pickle.
So 2025, we got Picklefest coming 2 days, Toronto, with Vancouver as well. You can do anything special, or just go with the bread and butters? I don't want to say bread and butter, but
you know what? Actually, no, we are going to do something special. Jerk pickles.
Yeah,
man, they are so fucking good. Like, so good.
The product is available. Like, people in Vancouver can't get it, right?
Yeah, you can get it. You can get it across the states, across Canada. You can get it anywhere in the world.
Anywhere in the world.
We'll ship anywhere in the world. Yeah.
Jason, you should talk to this guy. Should we try some?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Let's go, Reaper.
You going? Okay, all right. It's very flavorful, but it's hot. It's hot.
Breaking the bread. All right, Neil, I'm in your hands here.
The first bit is nice and see, look at that.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah, I mean, that's amazing.
You can put this stuff on anything. You can put it on crackers, chips, sausages, pizza, soup.
Neil, you know your shit, man. It's really good.
Buddy.
He is the real deal. You have any taste buds left?
Yeah.